Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. This is the new annual catalogue and the new annual catalogue goes live on the 1st of May. So I can't show you inside it quite yet, but I can show you all the new goodies I recently received in the post. So this is an unboxing haul and I can't wait for you to see the new stamps and products I got, but also all the shiny new colours I got. Now this video is a slight whoopsie. I actually, as I was recording it, I thought, oh, I could do this for YouTube, but I can also do this for my TikTok and speed it up because I'm trying to grow followers over on my TikTok. And magically, I shot it all in portrait. So it is at a very awkward angle for a YouTube video. And I do apologise for that. But I feel I've made it work, and what I've done is I've took some pictures so I can give you some close-up of the projects as well. So hopefully that helps. So this is the box that received through my door. It was massive. Cutting it open. Very excited that we've got new tape now to mark our 35th year. Didn't realise that until this arrived, and I was like, oh, that's lovely. Quite happy with that. So I popped it onto my craft desk and opened it, and this is very much my TikTok start screen. And what I'll do is at the very end I'll play you the TikTok video I did so you can see how clever I thought I was. So the first things first, out of the new box was all of the new inks. Look how gorgeous these look. So what I did first of all was pile them all up high so I could see how many there were. There were lots of colours retiring, so we do have lots of new colours as well as the new ink colours that are coming in. And then I took off all the cellophane wrap. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you sit at normal pace and watch me take off a load of cellophane wrap. I'm going to speed this through quite quick. What I also did was I popped the labels onto the cases. So the labels are on the underneath. All you need to do is take the label that is in your language. So I took the English one off and stuck it on the front, just like that, of all of them, so that I could see when I start putting them into my holder which colours are going into where. Very simple to do. So this is me now popping all of my colours into their new home. So we've got Bubble Bath, Moody Mauve, which is an ink colour, Berry Burst, which is returning as a normal colour. We've got Lemon Lolly, which is a brand new colour. How exciting. We've got Wild Wheat, which has come in as an in colour. So the in colour's around for 2 years. Pecan Pie, which is returning. Copper Clay, which is another in colour that's around for 2 years. So is Pebbled Path. Over on the next section, I've got Lemon Lime Twist. It's returning. It's my favourite. Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock. So hopefully, even though I've shot it in the wrong direction, you're getting a good show. Blowho Blue, which is an in colour. Azure Afternoon, which is brand new. Blueberry Bushel, which is returning, and Misty Moonlight, which is returning. So hopefully the close-ups helped there. And there are coordinating blends for every single one of those colours. And of course, I love blends, so I had to jump in and get all of them. So I'm stocking these in now. Getting them all sorted. The one thing I hadn't really relied upon was the fact that the new colours don't automatically slot into the gaps that I had from the colours that were retiring. So I had to do a little rejig on these to get them in the right sort of colour scheme for me. And there was a massive rejig that I undertook on the neutral colours. So I moved all the skin tone blends down and put in all the new browns and coppers, which was exciting for me, but was a whole rechange of this section. So I think you're looking at it like, what's she playing at? But yeah, I did have a whole change around and play. There's also new refills for all of them. There's also Stamp and Write markers for all of them. So there's a whole load of stuff to really to be going into my storage section, really making it colourful. And I'm so excited to play with them. So as well as the new colours, the new blends, the refills and the markers, I also got some other goodies from the annual catalogue. So I also got my packs of annual catalogues. So as demonstrators, I order packs to send out to all my customers. I send the catalogues to customers who've shopped with me within the last 6 months. They will automatically receive one free of charge, along with a little gift from me and a little card. So there is my pack of catalogues. I've popped one on the table, but there was a box of them underneath the table, and I thought if I put them all on the table, it'll collapse. So yes, they're in stock, ready to go. You'll see there we've got a new circle punch. It's massive. It's 2 3/8 of an inch. It comes with a coordinating stamp set as well. I also got this stamp set, Zany Zoo, which I fell in love with. I have created so much with this already. It's beautiful. Cheerful Daisies, florals, if you know me. Love a good floral stamp set, so I got this one as well. And then Seasonal Branches, which I loved because it had a bird on it. I know, a little bitty bird, and I bought the whole set. Can't wait to be playing with that one as well. Because I got all the new colours and I would want to play with those, I got all of the new cardstocks. Now, this is absolute genius of Stampin' Up. They have released cardstock packs. So you've got all the in colour cards, so I picked up a couple of those. But what we've also got is we've got new and returning coloured card. So if you've already got our colours as card, you can just get all of the new ones in the packs as well. And they're available from the catalogue too. How good is that? So do you want to see this TikTok? Shall I pop a clip in of it? All right, it's coming up. If you wanted to come over and join me on TikTok, here's my QR code. Just search for Helzy Slim, and they're all 20-second clips of all the projects I've been doing. So hopefully you will enjoy it. If you do want to see all of the new goodies, do head to my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net.